Well, good morning. I don't want to start the morning off with bad news, but she cheated at Wordle.
He always thinks I cheat.
She cheated.
I have to cheat to beat him.
She cheated.
People don't want to hear it now.
Yeah, they do. They do. They want to hear that you're a cheater.
Okay.
All right. So anyway,
I can talk now.
so she's not gonna. All right. Anyway, so here it is, day 4 of 4. She thinks I can't see her. Anyway, so day 4 of 4, and then we get back to Tampa. We got our back-to-back letter. I'll show you that later. And then I'm going to do a video on how to do the back-to-back because there's really 2 different versions of it. And I'll show you how some cruise line does it differently than others. But anyway, so we'll bring that to you, and we'll bring you the antics at the pool today.
I'm very, very excited about staying on the cruise, and it is our anniversary, June 12th.
Happy anniversary. We accept gifts. E63.
32 years.
Diamonds,
32,
cash.
32
wonderful years. Ow. I'm just kidding. Ow. See what I mean? 32 wonderful years. Even though she's a Wordle cheater. All right, well, we'll see you today. I'm going to get in a fight right now. I got to go. Bye.
Hi, I usually don't drink these because I used to think they were too sweet, but this is so refreshing. It's a pina colada, regular pina colada, with a splash of Bailey's in it.
Oh no, it's a whole shot of Bailey's, baby.
The whole shot is in here of Bailey's, but it is delicious and so refreshing. It's so good.
And I invented that in the Dominican Republic.
You did. This has always been a past drink, but I never drink it.
Right, don't knock it till you try it. Put a shot of Bailey's in your pina colada and mix it up. Don't just throw the shot in. You gotta mix it.
It's so refreshing.
It is. Yummy. You know why she drinks them? No. That's for chocolate martinis. Because they taste good here.
Adults, everybody is welcome to join us out here. Even if you are in the pool, even if you're in the hot tub, even if you're in your deck chairs. We started off with the chop slide. We got one very eager child. One. 9 more.
So a lot of people keep asking, do they have a seafood shack on board the Paradise? Okay, it's not technically a seafood shack, but it is the seafood corner. Right there is your Margaritaville at Sea, the Islander, heading back to Tampa alongside of us. They'll be in Tampa tomorrow, I think, for their first ever cruise. We're gonna try it. Give us some time. What you got for lunch, babe?
I got a burger and a fry.
Oh, she's got a guy's burger. First one this cruise. Oh God, you put mayonnaise on it? Yep, that ruined it. Could get ugly here in a little bit, maybe. It's only one little cloud on the radar, but 20 till 3. We'll see what happens. All right, just because you're with a big group doesn't give you the right to steal every daggum chair on the Lido deck. Share. So Terry decided she wanted to come into our room, which is such an awesome view. You can't really tell now because it's over the bow of the ship, but we came in just at the right time. So it's cleaning our windows, and then we'll be out of it, as you can see very shortly. This is the best room ever. G1, or if you get the G2, you get a balcony and this view. But that's a balcony room. All right, so there's the view now. Everybody left the pool. You saw it when we left. There was like 1 million people there. They all left because of that. It's only gonna last like 5 minutes. It already looks like it's done. Both elevators.
Love it, love it.
Same place, constantly. There's only 2 elevators that come up to deck 14. Oh boy.
Here we go.
Hey babe, where are we fixing to go?
We're fixing to go to dinner. It's so beautiful out here tonight. It's so calm.
Look at that.
But yeah, we're gonna go to dinner. We're hungry.
We won't be home for long, but we're gonna be hungry. I'm getting 3 soups.
3 soups.
You'll see. I'll show you that. All right, so we're going to dinner.
Love soup.
We'll see you there in a minute, and there's the menu. I don't know if it's something we said, but this has been dinner every night. Baby, what's your first appetizer?
My first appetizer is fried green tomatoes.
They don't look like fried
With
green
ketchup.
tomatoes.
Yes, they are.
You got ketchup.
Let me cut them for you.
She puts ketchup on everything.
Look.
Don't get beat up by a deep fried tomato.
No, I want
baby.
to show you inside of them.
There they are, deep fried, baby.
Green tomatoes.
I wish I could eat them. All right, and then I got 1 of 3 soups. I got 2 minestrones and 1 cheddar. Yummy, yummy. Okay, almost finished her tomatoes, but I got another bowl of minestrone. It is so yummy and so hot. What you got, baby? How was your tomatoes?
My fried green tomatoes were delicious.
All right, what do you got now?
Now I got the Asian chopped salad with breaded chicken, and this sauce is really spicy, so be careful because right now my mouth is burning.
Oh, wow. And you haven't even ate it, but your mouth is burning?
I tasted it.
All right, my third appetizer. This is cheddar soup. Baby, what you got?
I got enchiladas.
Enchiladas?
Yeah.
Who eats enchiladas?
Enchilada people.
Enchilada people. I got the pini. I'll be full after this, I can promise you. Baby, what you got for dessert?
Babalu cake.
Bubbaloo cake. Terry missed the original Bubbaloo cake when we were on the Mardi Gras for the birthday celebration. She missed it because she was napping. And I got the Bubbaloo cake.
Oh yes, thank you all for choosing Carnival Cruise Line, and thank you all for choosing Carnival Paradise as your vacation destination. We here in the restaurant team are going and please help us with our appropriate survey so we can do better in your future cruise when you come and see us again. We'll be ready for you again, better than the first time. And yes, we also have a group of individuals behind the scenes in the cook.
I want to get all these hand chefs on board, and so we make it happen for you. I know it's a short, but we just close for all of you. Don't look at me, I'm trying to hide this. You know, we're all participating in the same club. On your back, ready to go. You're standing here in front of you. We hate to see you go and take you out. We got dance for you, to make you smile.
you doing?
Winning, winning.
Winning, winning. Winning on it. $1.32 bet. She did it again. See what she gets on this one. Another mini. She's gonna take the money and run. I bet you $10. Again.
I want the 1,000.
A minor, another minor, babe. Last spin, hopefully not. Hopefully it'll pop. Oh, you did it again. You got the shark. The other shark. Good job, baby. That's my baby. On my first spin, I got the bonus. Already in for $22.80. Here we go. Just saw my baby won a lot of money.
Over $100.
She won't share it with me.
No.
She won't give it to me because you know where I'll go.
Look what they do. Right back to
Right.
it. No,
So where are we going,
nothing.
babe?
We're going to the Newlywed Game.
The Love and Marriage Show.
I call it Newlywed Game.
Call it what you want.
You know what it is.
Okay. All right. She's got to go pee first.
Stop.
I'm going to give you a technician in about 2 seconds. I'm going to give you a mango. Now, is he coming? We have a show to do, ma'am. Well, I'm going to meet the other ones. I'm going to go meet these guys first, and I'm going to come back to you. James has got 2 minutes solid. I'm going to come over to my newlyweds. My friends over here, look them deep in the eyes. Now, all 3 couples up here rated their first kiss a 10 out.
Well, good evening.
Hello.
We went to every bar on this ship,
We did.
and we could not get a chocolate martini because every single one of them are packed. And it's almost 11 o'clock on the last night. Well, the last night for some people,
Not for us.
not for us. But anyway, couldn't get a chocolate martini anywhere.
No.
They were so crowded and loud,
Yeah.
very loud. And
Now, we did go to the Newlywed show. It was hilarious.
absolutely the funniest one we've ever seen.
And then we were going to get a martini, and it was way too busy at every bar we went to. And then we decided, oh, we'll get us ice cream then, because ice creams are good.
Guess what? The line is about 4 miles long
very,
for the
very
ice
long.
cream, 8.5 miles long for the
So
deli.
guess what Terry got?
And pizza's 2.5 miles long. So we decided we'll just come in here, do our closing video, and we'll get up and start it all over again tomorrow
But guess
morning.
what I got? Nothing.
You got nothing.
I got nothing.
I got nothing. So good cruise except for way too many kids.
Yeah,
Sorry.
the kids are running wild
They're
tonight.
running wild
Last
all over the
night,
place
they're sitting
tonight.
on all the stairs, running up and down the stairs.
Mm.
So security was getting them though.
Yeah, they were getting them. But anyway, so we
Security.
will end this one, but we're going to pick up the next one tomorrow morning, which will start a new videos, I guess. And
New cruise.
we will see you tomorrow morning going to
Oh.
Key West, Jamaica, and Grand Cayman
One
on a
more thing.
6-day. Oh, she's got one more thing to
One
say.
more thing, we're going to set our alarm. We're going to get up with this beautiful windows here at the
yeah.
front of the ship, and we're going to try to see the Sunshine Skyway Bridge all lit up.
Yeah, so make sure you watch this to the end. If you don't see it, then we
We
slept
didn't
through
get
it.
it. We're going to try to get it.
But we're going to try. We're going to set our alarm
It's
and
going
see
to
if
be
we
so
can see
pretty.
it. So,
So pretty.
all right.
You better wake up.
She's so bossy. All right. See you.
Bye.
Bye.